In this opportunity, we will be talking about the written assignment. The written assignment is a creative writing task of 500 to 600 words linked to one or two literary text reading class. The first part of the work needs to be written in 150 to 250 words. This document must be written in the second year. It is externally assessed. That means that your work will be sent abroad to have it examined by an international IB teacher. It is not time. You can develop your work in the amount of hours that you will require. It's an independent work. Your teacher can give you advice, but he or she cannot degrade or note your work. Requirements. There are two main requirements. You need to achieve the rationale and the task. The rationale. The 150 to 250 word rationale must include a brief introduction to the literary work or text, an explanation of how your task is linked or connected to the book, the student's intended aims, what you want to explore, explanation of how the student intends to achieve his or her aims, choice of text type, this means the kind of document that you will select, and being very aware of the audience register and style. The second part of the written assignment is a task. The task is a creative piece of writing that will be based on one or two literary texts. Has to be written in 500 to 600 words. Needs to be effectively written with the appropriate language in regards to the text type and aim. The task can be a new end into a novel, an interview with a character, a diary entry, a story or a play, or a news report about an event in the story. Here we have an example of a written assignment for English B higher level. The source or the name of the book is Of Mice and Men. The task: Curl's wife's diary, entries that could have been discovered after she had been killed. The text type that has been selected is a diary entry. The rationale. The rationale will offer a brief summary to the literary text, introduce the character and her actions and thoughts expressed in the story. The rationale will then share the aims of the task. In this case, Curl's wife keeping a diary as there were no other females to talk to. The entries may reveal her sense of loneliness. And introduce and justify chosen text type, register, style, audience. Diary entries written in the same style in which the character speaks in the novel. If you click on a picture, you will be addressed to the IB page, in which is displayed different samples, especially in this case. Here we have the written assignment. You need to read the background, and when you click on the student's work, you will be sent to a PDF file. First of all, you need to download it, how the final document needs to look like. How do we know that this written assignment sample is the one that you need to take as a reference in order to have the highest punctuation? If you click on the examiner comments, it will appear the different comments in regards to the different criteria. Here you have language, criterion B, content, criterion C, format, and rationale. if we go back to our presentation, then we expect that after trying hard in writing your written task, we will hope that you will obtain the great success and obtain your IB diploma. It would be a great achievement for you. Goodbye to everybody.